Defense cooperation between Turkey and Saudi Arabia reached another significant milestone with the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding for the joint production of the Gökbey helicopter. Announced at the World Defense Show 2026 in Riyadh, the Memorandum of Understanding marks the first overseas production of the Gökbey multipurpose helicopter. This agreement goes beyond the export of finished products, but also the development of industrial capabilities in the partner country. The signing was carried out by Turkish Aerospace Industries, the Saudi Ministry of Investment, and the Saudi Arabian Military Industries Authority. This collaboration reflects the seriousness of both countries in expanding strategic cooperation. For Turkey, this agreement strengthens its defense industry position in the Middle East market, while for Saudi Arabia, it supports its ambitious ambition to build military-industrial independence. The Gökbey itself is a multipurpose helicopter designed to meet both civil and military needs. This platform is developed with a high-tech approach and operational flexibility. The planned joint production will be based on a long-term model. This means that this project is not temporary but rather oriented towards building an industrial ecosystem. One of the main objectives of this collaboration is technology transfer, as Saudi Arabia aims to strengthen domestic technical and manufacturing capacity. This program is also in line with the Saudi government's Vision 2030, which targets a significant increase in the localization of the defense industry. Through this collaboration, Saudi Arabia seeks to reduce its dependence on imported defense systems. The development of domestic production facilities is a priority. The Saudi Arabian Military Industries Authority will play a role in gathering helicopter requirements for various sectors, encompassing both military and civilian needs. Once needs are identified, Tusas will collaborate with local manufacturers in Saudi Arabia, opening opportunities for Saudi companies to become directly involved. The design production model allows for adaptation to specific user needs. The helicopter's configuration can be tailored to the mission. The Gökbey's modular structure was one of the main reasons for its selection. The modular design facilitates the integration of additional systems and equipment. This helicopter can be used for troop transport, medical evacuation, and even homeland security missions, enhancing its strategic value. In the civilian sector, the Gökbey can also be used for VIP transportation, search and rescue, and emergency services, expanding its market potential. Co-production also opens up regional export opportunities, with neighboring countries in the Middle East becoming potential target markets. With a production location in Saudi Arabia, distribution to regional markets becomes more efficient, and geographical factors provide logistical advantages. For Turkey, this project expands its defense industry footprint globally, demonstrating the competitiveness of domestic products. The successful signing of the MAU at WDS 2026 also holds symbolic value. The event is one of the largest defense exhibitions in the region. This collaboration reflects the growing bilateral relationship between the two countries, as previously diplomatic ties are now becoming more concrete in the industrial sector. Technology transfer is a crucial aspect of this project. The process will involve training the local workforce. Developing Saudi human resources is part of a long-term strategy, as the defense industry requires highly skilled technical expertise. Investing in helicopter technology will also encourage local innovation, and research and development collaborations are expected to expand in the future. From a geopolitical perspective, this collaboration strengthens the positions of both countries in the region, with Turkey expanding its industrial influence while Saudi Arabia strengthens its independence. Co-production also reduces the risk of dependence on a single global supply source, making partner diversification a key strategy in the defense industry. The Gökbey itself has been designed to meet international standards, facilitating its penetration into the global market. Its modern and efficient design makes it competitive compared to other platforms in its class, with cost and flexibility being key factors. This collaboration also has the potential to create new jobs in Saudi Arabia, as the high-tech manufacturing industry requires a highly skilled workforce. Furthermore, this project can stimulate the growth of supporting industries, and the local supply chain will expand as production increases. Turkey has previously successfully exported various defense systems, and the Gökbey is now a leading product for the international market. With a joint production model, industrial relations become closer than simply a purchase contract, as both parties have a shared interest in the success of the project. This approach also increases supply stability, as local production minimizes disruptions to global distribution. In the long term, this collaboration could expand to other projects, and other air platforms may become part of future collaborations. This agreement demonstrates a new trend in global defense trade, with purchasing countries now favoring an industrial partnership model. Saudi Arabia is positioning itself as a regional defense industrial hub, and Gökbey production could be a cornerstone of this. Turkey, on the other hand, is strengthening its reputation as a trusted supplier of defense technology. This credibility is crucial for further expansion. Economically, this project has a significant impact on both countries. Investment, production, and exports will contribute to growth. Synergy between operational needs and industrial development is at the heart of this collaboration, providing both countries with strategic benefits. This move also demonstrates a shift in the dynamics of the global defense industry, with cross-border collaboration becoming increasingly common. Ultimately, this Memorandum of Understanding is more than just a formal document. It serves as the foundation for a long-term defense industry partnership. The joint production of the Gökbey helicopter in Saudi Arabia marks a new chapter in Turkey-Saudi relations, and this collaboration has the potential to shape the regional defense industry landscape for the coming decade.